In this video, I'm gonna show example scenario which uploads content like photos or videos automatically and pulls information from website, and it can run as often as you want. So it is completely automated without needing of uploading any photos or videos yourself. As you can see, this scenario is pretty big one, but actually it is divided to 4 pieces because I have 4 pages from which I'm taking information from. But for example, if on your website you have only first page where is shown new products, then you can use only one page. And in this example, I'm gonna use only first page. So first things first, I start every scenario with Google Sheets because I don't want AI to repeat itself. I have showed this trick in my previous videos. I called it numbering effect. Here is watch new rows module, and this module is searching for new rows that are gonna be added later in this scenario. These rows pull me out here only numbers. As you can see, one number at a time. In Google Sheet, it looks like this. As you can see, here are only numbers, nothing special. But what it does, it allows this scenario not to repeat itself and continue with another product. And at some time, you can reset it back to 0 or let AI to do it at a certain number. It is very easy if you know how many exact products you have. And usually WooCommerce or WordPress, for example, is showing, and I'm pretty sure all the other platforms as well. So this is only start. You will understand pretty quickly why you need it. So for example, let's say if the next number is gonna be, right now, let's say it was num1, and next number in that case will be number 2. So it will pull out the number 2 product, which is this one, and upload this to social media. So I'm gonna click on this product and with this example do this scenario. So next thing I had was router because I had 4 different pages. This scenario was built for another website, but on that website there was on first page 36 products. So that's why I have here 36. If the numbers that are pulled, that are not repeating itself, are from 1 to 36, then I continue with the first page. It is like in every page you can see, if you have page 1, then AI scrapes me the page 1, but if I have already posted every social media post about all the products, then AI goes to second page and starts posting from the start from here. So that's why I have those numbers over here. And here I have set up the filter to be less than or equal to 36. In other pages, obviously, I had a bit more filtering. It is greater than 36 and less than 72, which will be the numbers for the second page products. So in every page I had 36 products. 36 plus 36 is 72. So in between that, I output those numbers. And why I did that is because otherwise I would have to scan all the pages for all the products, and that would cost a lot of AI and will be a waste of make.com runs. So it's just waste of resources. So that's why I separated it to 4. But as my first number is only 2, then it's gonna continue with this. Second thing that I added was just HTTP module that takes the information from the website as HTML and outputs it. But as on every page you have products that are product 1, product 2, product 3. And if I now go to another page, the next page, then here also products are product 1, product 2, and product 3. In that case, I added AI in the next pages to calculate me the same numbers that are for the page 1. For example, here I know that 36 was on the first page, 36 on the second, so here I'm taking away 36. Here I also did some distraction, but this time 36 plus 36 is 72, so I distracted 72. So this is just something to keep everything in order, not to repeat itself. These numbers are gonna be useful more. And like I said, why you need those numbers is to output me a product number on different page. Because when you are running and scraping this, then you are getting, for example, 36 products for one page and 36 for another. And the AI doesn't know that it is actually not 36, it is actually, for example, 48. For AI, it is still 12th product. Okay, so let's move for a bit away from this numbering. This is to keep everything in order, to not mess anything up and not to repeat AI itself. Second thing, obviously, as you know from my previous videos, is text parser from match patterns. I took all the information from HTTP module and then wrote this pattern searching that would simplify and output me less text to work with. I'm gonna blur this website out because this is one of my customers. I'm gonna actually run this up here and show what's gonna happen. Gonna ignore this transformer warning, run it anyways. And as you can see, text parser right here is outputting me links because I asked in patterns to output only links to me. As you can see, here are many links, but all of those links are separate bundles. So it would mean, as you can see here, total are 49 and they are all different. So the next module will do 49 runs and I don't want that. If you're wondering how 36 became 49, because I only had 36 products on one page, then it's because if you have product with different colors or with different options, like here in this WordPress website, then it's gonna output every option as different product. So that's why here it is not anymore 36, but is 49. And not to repeat and post only different colors every day, I have actually a fix for it a bit later. Then I have this aggregator that took all those links and outputted it me as a one text. If I click on any of those, then you can see it is just a regular product link. And those product links are then fed to AI from the array aggregator module. And here I am doing this filtering that I told before. So I don't want all of those different options to be posted. I want only one. So for one product, it's gonna be only one social media post, not here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 posts in a row. For example, if you post once a day, then it's gonna be just 5 days in a row, the same products, which obviously is very boring for social media. So here I have this filtering for AI that I gave, as you can see. And what this AI does is taking number that I want to work with, and then it is asked if this URL is repeating before. If it does, then it skips this one and outputs me only the next number to work with. For example, if here with this game console it is repeating, then it's gonna skip all of those and output me only the next product link, which in this case will be this retro console. And if it doesn't, then it returns a number as usual. And these numbers are important to add back on here in this first Google Sheet module. So next time automation is running, it is not repeating the same number, and here numbers mean products. So it's not repeating the same product, but is outputting us a next product. If I look here at aggregator, let's try to find something that is repeating. These two have two options, and then these two have two options. And as you can see, the links are repeating. So AI will take this first link, work with it, and if next time scenario runs and finds in this bundle this link, then it skips this link and works with the next link, which will be absolutely new product. And so on and so on. So next time it works, it finds, aha, this is repeating, skips it and moves to new product. So this is why this AI is added here. And so this AI outputs me a number. Google Sheet is adding this next number. I'm going to show it right now. And if I run it once, then you can see the results is number 3. Number, which again means product, and product URL is given. Then it goes to this Google Sheet module. It is exactly the same spreadsheet and adding this AI generated number +1 to Google Sheet. And +1 is for the next time in the beginning when AI runs to work with the next product or with next number. This is why here is +1. Based on that number, it's gonna take the URL. And this URL is gonna be inputted in this set variable. What the set variable does, it is taking the URL that is matching number that just AI gave. For example, this time it gave number 3. As you can see in here in set variables, it's gonna take variant number 3, like AI said, from this array aggregator module. So if I go over here, this URL is gonna be taken. So now this URL is outputted and given back again to this HTTP module to make a new request. So what happened till here was actually scraping the product page where a lot of products are. It scraped this product page and outputted next product to work with. And thanks to web scraping and pattern searching, it found a URL of the next product. So let's say it scraped this product page, outputted me URL for the next product. And so now this product URL is taken and pasted to next HTTP module. It is pasted over here from this tools module. Nothing else is done. And now all of the information from the product is given to text parser module. Obviously here I also use pattern searching to output less text to work with. How to do this pattern searching, you can watch my previous video or learn about regex, where you can simplify outputted text, or you can just ask AI to write you one. So now with this pattern search, less text is given, and then I'm taking this HTML that is given and turning it to text. And then this text, which is usually this that is under the product description, is taken and social media post with AI is generated. Here I also do a bit more stuff, which I'm gonna explain in a minute. So right now, if I run this, as you can see here in numbering, it is right now number 4. So product number 4 is gonna be worked with right now. And if it is a repeating product, then it's gonna be skipped and work is gonna continue with another product. So if I run this once, then you can see over here, a long string, but actually much more shortened, is given, which HTML code, and then HTML is converting it to text. And with that text, AI can very easily create you a social media post. But obviously you want a post with a photo or video. And as I said, it is completely automated. I have also this AI over here that is asking to what this product is related, because customer didn't want all products to be posted on social media, but only specific niche products. So if it is asking if product is good enough, then it continues with the module, and if it's no, then it says no and sends customer note that this time this product was not added to social media, so customer is also notified that this product is not suitable. Also it is reminding that automations are still running. So next thing that AI is doing is asking about this product, and it is asking specifically, is there any media down here in description? Is there any videos or photos? As you can see, it is asking. If it does not have any media, then AI continues with this product photo, the first one usually, and creates with this first photo a social media post. If it does, then it goes to text parser module, which is once again searching for patterns. This time it is searching for uploaded content. And then this text parser module is outputting me some URLs, probably many. So that's why I asked AI to output me only just URL. I was here lazy and just used AI instead of proper pattern searching. But as it is such a small question, then it is not costing much. Next thing I did is asking, is this media that is here down below, is it video or photo? Because at some products you have example videos and some you have example products. In this example, customer only wanted photos, so that's when it's going to video. Then it resets back to this product image and outputs only this. But if there are any other photos, then it takes a photo from description as URL. Here I also used AI to output me this image URL. It takes it from HTML text, and then I am putting this URL into get a file HTTP module. So it's gonna do me a mapping that is important for Facebook. If you look at this mapping, then it's gonna give me file name and data. And here is the AI that writes a Facebook post. that is actually taking information from this module, which is long ago, but it doesn't matter because in Make everything is linear. Obviously, if I have video, then it could be upload a video module in the Facebook pages modules. So you could upload even videos. It very much depends what you want, but this specific example was once a week, to be exact on Mondays. So Mondays will not be empty, but as you know, Mondays are not the best time to post. So this is Monday, not to stay completely empty. This is the same image and text goes to all the different languages and their Facebooks. Here is example how this end social media post is gonna look. Here is gonna be text. And here is gonna be the media or content that you uploaded, that is taken straight away from the website. I know these types of scenarios are difficult ones. If you need any scenario like this, then you can always email me and I can build specifically for your needs. But if you want to learn and build it yourself and wanna see me to build it from the scratch, then let me know down in the comments and I will try to make a video about how to make it from the scratch. But good about this scenario is it is actual real life scenario from a real use case from WooCommerce shop, and it is something that is actually useful. For this video I think it is enough, and for now, have a great day.